welcome to the course. I'm very excited that you've enrolled, and I'm even more excited that you're beginning your first steps to learning Python. Before you begin the course, I just want to explain a few key details that will help give you the best course experience possible. First, let's discuss how this course will work in general. This course is going to be a bit different than other technical courses you may have experienced in the past. In order to try to make the course an engaging and fun experience for students, there will be a narrative element to the course that includes actors and an immersive story. The exercises and projects you do in the course will directly sync up with the story and give you an interesting context as to why you're learning different operations with Python. If that approach isn't well suited for your learning style, you can always just skip the story videos and go directly to the Python lectures and exercises without really missing anything. And I will see you inside the course.
Greetings, and thank you for coming. My name is Hopper, and I am the director of a covert government organization called the Institute. As I'm sure you are aware, we are living in a time of extraordinary change. Change that affects nearly every aspect of our existence. The way we live, the way we work, changes that even affect our planet. The Institute was formed with one goal in mind: to solve civilization's most pressing global issues. Issues that cannot be resolved through ordinary means. As coding experts, we use our skills to assist nations throughout the world. But there are many threats, and they have pushed us to the breaking point. Now we are in desperate need of new members to assist us in our mission, though not just anyone will do. We seek someone who is resourceful and quick on their feet, someone who is both great at problem solving and can learn new skills quickly, someone like you. We believe you have exactly what it takes to help us with our mission. With the right training, I am certain you will become a valuable asset. Your first task, should you choose to participate, would be to attend our recruitment bootcamp, where you will learn to code in Python and think like a programmer. If you pass our bootcamp, you will be promoted to Field Agent, where you will be assigned to carry out the Institute's most critical missions. Throughout your training, you'll be assisted by two of our best agents, Agents Anita and Alan, and of course me, Director Hopper. Agent Anita will be in touch shortly to discuss the next steps in the recruitment process. We're expecting big things from you, recruit. You and I will speak again soon, but for now, welcome to the Institute.